right, guys. So today is what day? Like in Andrew, where are we going?
We are head to Dallas, the city of Dallas, county office, of course, for checking with the officials and also for collect the tax map. We need a tax map, we need a property map, whatever we need as developers to see what the landscape at Dallas look like, because we are taking from that angle. We are research, we are drive the area, we are see where the new construction going up, we are see the type of property that's going up. Now we just need to go with the county, make this relationship, and that's what we're doing today.
Okay. So as a developer, like what is that map? Like what does that map do for you? How does that help you and help us understand the city, do our builds? Like break it down a little bit.
Well, for the tax map, it actually gives the size of each lot, because sometimes you see parcel lots where one side is occupied with a house and the next side is empty. So you want to know if that is a 10,000 square feet rather than two different 5,000 square feet lot, because sometimes we can also approach the homeowner and ask them to subdivide the lot. There's an opportunity right there. It just depends. So the tax map show you every line, every piece of lot, the size of the lot, and all of those information is on the tax map. So we need that. We drive around with those also pinpoint lots where they start, where they finish, and so forth.
So boom, guys, obviously we're outside. So the thing is, in real estate, sometimes you got to do the legwork. Actually, oftentimes. So you got to get out, get out of your behind computer comfort. Either one, you go drive around and then you find ugly homes, door knock them, whatever, pull up the numbers, call them. That's exactly what we used to do also when we used to wholesale. But when you start in the real estate development, is the same thing. You don't just sit behind the computer and start looking up data. You got to come to the city, get the maps, see where all the land is literally mapped out. And then it also helps you, if you drive around, it helps you actually understand your market, because there are certain things you cannot see on the computer. So what driving around will show you is like where is exactly being built. You can go on the site like we've been doing, talking to the construction crews, getting the numbers. So you always have, everything you need, plumbers, foundation guys, lumber guys, whatever the case may be. On top of, you can door knock the neighbor on next to a project and see if they're interested in selling their home. Maybe you can knock it out and build on it. So we're here to get the map. Look at that behind me, guys. Dallas is like the heaven of a developer, man. You cannot be here and not be inspired. Do something. Yeah. Look at this beauty, guys. How can you live next to this or see this every single day and you are not inspired to become a developer? Guys, this is all built by somebody in their minds first, right? So a developer essentially is just a person that have the idea in their minds, and then what you do with that idea and what you're trying to build is you find an architect and a designer, and you pay them, and then you have them draft up your idea, right, on paper. So they're gonna design it, draft it, your idea from your mind. And then after that, you're gonna come to the city with all those plans, and then you get it approved, all right? So we're right here. Sorry, guys, I gotta learn how to navigate this. So we're right here in the city. You come here, you get your plans approved, and then everything else, guess what? You're outsourcing it. You're not the person doing the work. You're not the person doing the work. You're outsourcing every single little thing. So you're outsourcing the foundation. You're outsourcing, the paint. You're outsourcing the construction side. You're outsourcing. So the developer is not the one that goes on the site and take a hammer and hit on a nail. No, a developer is the person that actually use God's greatest gift, which is what? This right here. All right, guys, stay tuned. Boom, boom, boom.